Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
21, the solar plexus, when we're establishing our identity, the makeup of who we are or who we think we are. These emotions can hold you back from your true power, your true God power, making you live in your lower self, your animal self, if they're not balanced properly. If you're still holding on to these childhood issues, they can affect your adult years and your spiritual progression. You won't be able to establish your intuitive side, your higher self, unless you deal with your shit. You know what that shit is. You and only you know. That emotion that keeps tugging on you and making you feel some type of way. Only you know, and you're the only one that can decipher your issues. The journey within, remember? For example, my shit was trusting the people I dated. See, I had trust issues. I couldn't trust any females I was dating. I was always thinking they were fucking around on my ass, cheating and shit. See, I'm an 80s baby. And if you were in the 80s, you knew we grew up watching Cheaters. Jerry Springer was the talk of the time. More You Are Not the Father and all that bullshit.